Customizing the default 2011 WordPress theme. How to change the post title background color. Now let's go ahead and scroll down here a little bit so you can get a better idea as to what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is this area right here. It's the background color for the post title. And currently it blends in seamlessly with the surrounding area, kind of an off-white color. But that's the background color I'm going to be changing. And as an example, this is the before picture. And this is an after picture where I've changed this color to kind of a beige color, specifically wheat. So let's go ahead and take a look at the code we're going to use to do that with. And there's really not a whole lot you can do here as far as customizing. I use the color name or the HTML color name to demonstrate the wide variety of different colors you can use the name for. I actually prefer to use the hex code, kind of like this here, which is a series of 6 digits, whether it's letters or numbers. And this is the only spot you don't want to mess with this, just the BG or the background color here. Now let me go ahead and copy this into my clipboard. I want to take you to a page also where you can get a whole bunch more of these too. Let's get this, just make sure I got that copied and get that out of the way. And we come here to Wikipedia and do a search for web colors for Wikipedia, or you can just use this URL right here to get exactly to this location. And you scroll on down about halfway down the page, and you can see this is an abundance of different HTML named colors you can choose from. This is where I got the one for wheat. You can also use the hex code that they offer you, or if you're set up for it, the RGB code. But let's get on back to our site here, open up my text editor, and add that code to my style.css for my child theme. And if you're not using a child theme, you can do the same thing by adding this code to the very bottom of your parent theme's style.css. Let's go and save that, open up my FTP client, upload and overwrite the existing style.css. And yes, you can do the same exact thing inside the WordPress site's dashboard under the Appearance subpanel under the editor. Go and get this out of the way, get this out of the way. If you come into my dashboard here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Under the Appearance subpanel, go into Editor. And you can do the same thing right here. As you can see, this is my style.css that I just edited and uploaded and overwrote that code, the existing style.css. You can see right here is that same code right here. And if you do the editing here, of course it'll save you a few steps. You can just click on Update File and you're good to go. Come on back here and let's refresh. And there you go. Now you can change this background color to anything you want. You just want to make sure that it adds to and not takes away from the appearance to your site. You don't want it to blend too closely to either the hover color or the default color of your title text, because you just want to take that into consideration when choosing your background color. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on changing the background color of your post title.